Yes, sir, man. We got some more exciting news for the Vintage Squad. We have another shock drop happening tomorrow. You guys probably seen the thumbnail and the title. We're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video. If you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop, especially videos like this where I'm helping you guys hit on these shock drops, the exclusive access, restocks, all that good stuff, man. I got you guys covered here on the channel. Like I said, if you're new, or even if you've been watching on the channel for a while, which it seems like that's a trend. It's a lot of people that come to the channel, they don't hit that subscribe button, even though it takes a second or two, and we'll be supporting your boy, man. So like I said, go ahead and sub up right now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any information as far as, you know, shock drops and restock. And go ahead and please follow that up with a huge like as well, man. Every like counts. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. It puts in the algorithm. I know there's a lot of people out there that's probably interested in the shock drop or two with these sneakers that we're talking about today, man. All right, man, so we just got word that we're gonna be getting a shock drop for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. I think that's the name they're running with. They might even change it up. I'm just not too for sure how they're gonna do it. You know, usually we get names like, for instance, Palomino 3s, but they end up being called the Orwood Brown Air Jordan 3s. I don't know what they're gonna market it as, but as of right now, we're gonna go with the Red Cement Air Jordan 3s. I'm pretty sure we'll change. Now, retail tag is $210. Bro, go ahead and focus on that. Focus. There you guys see it, man. Red Cement shock drop tomorrow. $210 retail tag is extra taxing. I don't know what's been going on with these sneakers. Like sometimes they charge $210, sometimes they even charge $220 for certain, you know, colorways, certain, you know, silhouettes. I don't know what's going on, but Nike, please just go back down to that 170, that 160. It's gonna be a lot more people that's probably interested in copying these sneakers that's sitting currently, i.e. Air Jordan 7, Chambrays. I can look at a bunch of sneakers behind me. Even Air Jordan 7 Cardinals, you feel me? I feel like last year when those dropped, not a lot of people was feeling them. It was sitting on, you know, shelves for a while because the retail tag was like $190, $200, which is extra OD. But yeah, man, this Air Jordan 4 Red Cement shock drop will be happening over on the Nike Sneakers app. You guys know I always try to keep you guys updated with the time and everything like that. So that's why I tell you guys right now, man, go ahead and follow my Twitter, ASAP Rocky. Usually happens at that 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but sometimes times do, you know, it fluctuates here and there. That might even hit us with the whole, you know, 10-minute warning of the shock drop happening like they did with the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. And I believe they did it with another shock drop that we seen in July as well, man. So we might get hit by the time before I even tell y'all from Nike themselves, you know what I'm saying? They've been switching it up. I kind of like that. Not so much a shock drop really, but they still label it as a shock drop, even though Nike themselves is letting us know when they are dropping these sneakers prior to the drop. Then this is a Jordan 4 that kind of went under the radar for me. I wasn't all the way feeling them. I'm still not feeling them all the way yet. I might have to see them in hand before I make that final decision. But me, for Air Jordan 4s, I'm trying to cop a lot more, add them back to the collection, because I recently sold like 10 pairs of my Air Jordan 4s and I regret it. I sold my Lightnings, I sold my Red Thunders, I sold my Cool Grays, bro. I just sold a bunch of Air Jordan 4s that I don't regret it per se, but I wish I still had them in the collection, if that makes sense. So you guys let me know right now down below in the comment section, man, if you will be going after these joints tomorrow. Like I said, stay tuned for the time. There's no set time yet. I feel like Nike's gonna do that same thing they did with the Jordan 1 UNC toes. Let everybody know about 10, 15 minutes prior to the drop, helping a lot of people out, because I know there's a lot of people that are interested in these joints. Me, like I said, I'm gonna grab them, break them down on the channel, of course, give you guys the visuals. But as of right now, I don't know how I'm actually feeling them, because I ain't really been thinking about that sneaker at all until I heard about this shock drop that I know you guys want to hear about, man. So let me know down below in the comment section. Are you going after them? You gonna pass on them? I seen, you know, in the Discord, I mean, a lot of people say they don't even really care about the shock drop, which is crazy. People, you know, usually are excited for shock drops, but it's kind of crazy we haven't gotten a shock drop or that exclusive access yet for the Air Jordan 1 low black toes. I think we will be seeing here shortly as well. So Nike doing some bunch of weird stuff. They gave us EA for the UNC Chicago Air Jordan lows, but they're not gonna give us one for black toes. Now they're gonna be giving us one for the Air Jordan 4 red cements, just a lot of weird activities going on, you feel me? But just based off the photos that we have seen so far, I definitely think that it does resemble like the quality of the Seafoam Air Jordan 4s. If you guys do have a pair, you guys know these joints have some very stiff leather, so hopefully it's not the case at all. Hopefully it's some nice, super tumble leather. And it's crazy because usually they throw that nice, crispy, you know, soft leather on Air Jordan 4 women's exclusives, but they didn't do it with these. So hopefully we see some nice tumbleness of the leather for these Air Jordan 4 red cements. I think the main thing that's gonna turn a lot of people away from this shock drop is the retail tag. You know, this probably one of the 4s that, I don't know, I'll take that back. I was about to say Jordan 4 is gonna sit, but I doubt that these Jordan 4s sit like even for a second, because it is a Jordan 4. People been rocking out with 4s for a little minute now, no matter what kind of colorway they've been throwing on it. The joint's been selling out super quickly. So, hey, if you guys want them or you think you want them, go ahead and start putting in that, you know, that legwork, footwork, asking your local mall, your local stores to see who are getting them. So you're not like me and end up with a lot of L's coming to release date, man. We do have this shock drop here for us tomorrow. Like I said, stay tuned, midday. Nike might throw their own notification out. If not, go follow my Twitter right now, which I'm linked down below in the description box so you guys can tap into all future updates for shock drops, restocks, exclusive access, all that good stuff, man. I got you guys covered on Twitter. We can't come up on here on YouTube real quick to tell you guys what's happening, man. I definitely missed the live cops. Trust me, man. I see a lot of people, you know, comment telling me they missed the live cops. I wish we could do them still, but your boy got, you know, priorities. But you know, maybe one day, hopefully here shortly, I come up on YouTube, you know, live stream every time there's a shock drop, restock, or something like that. We definitely had a good time during the live cops, man. I do miss it. I miss you guys, you know, live reaction, live comments. And hopefully, like I said, sometime soon we can get back to that, you feel me? And then one more thing I want to tell you guys before, you know, we wrap up the video. Make sure you guys update your Nike sneakers app. I actually went on to the app store the other day and I seen that it was not updated, you know what I'm saying? Make sure your app is updated, make sure your card information is up on there, shipping address and all that good stuff. You might get some error messages, but the quick fix around all that I have seen personally is trying to hit on these sneakers on your desktop. Like I said, if you're at work, if you can pull your own personal laptop up there, go ahead and try to do it on your desktop so you're not going through all the issues and internet connection issues as your phone would have. Go straight through your laptop. I think it's a little bit more smoother process as far as copying these pairs on shock drops and exclusive access, stuff like that. That's just what I've seen personally. You can take that with a grain of salt if you want to, or you can take that advice and run with it. You guys let me know how you do hit tomorrow. We're gonna do a little recap, see how many pairs it was, see what these things are, you know, hitting for as far as how people are liking them. And yeah, man, I can't wait till we can get this shock drop over with and chop it up, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Like I said, it helps the channel grow and puts us in the algorithm. And the Jordan 4 red cements is probably more hype than what I'm actually kind of portraying in my energy, because like I said, I wasn't too much a bigger fan of them, but I know there's people out there that are feeling them. So if you are, go ahead and drop them fire emojis right now down below in the comment section. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.